Multiculturalism. Multiculturalism refers to the coexistence of diverse cultures in a society. It celebrates the presence of different ethnic, religious, and cultural groups, encouraging them to maintain their unique cultural identities while participating in the broader community. Supporters of multiculturalism argue that it enriches society by bringing a variety of perspectives, traditions, and innovations. They believe that embracing diversity leads to a more vibrant and inclusive society where everyone can contribute their unique strengths. Critics, however, argue that too much emphasis on multiculturalism can lead to division and a lack of social cohesion. They worry that encouraging separate cultural identities might prevent the formation of a unified national identity. Instead, they advocate for assimilation, where newcomers adopt the dominant culture of the host country to maintain social harmony. Immigration. Immigration is the movement of people from one country to another with the intention of settling there. It's a major factor that contributes to multiculturalism. Proponents of immigration highlight its economic benefits. Immigrants often fill labor shortages, contribute to the economy, and bring new skills and ideas. They also argue that immigration enriches the cultural fabric of society, making it more dynamic and diverse. On the other hand, opponents express concerns about the potential negative impacts of immigration. They worry about job competition, pressure on public services, and challenges in integrating large numbers of newcomers into society. There are also fears that high levels of immigration might dilute the national identity and create social tensions. National identity. National identity is a sense of belonging to a nation and a belief in its political aspirations. It is shaped by shared history, cultural language, and values. For some, maintaining a strong national identity is crucial for social cohesion and stability. They believe that a common national identity helps bind people together, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. However, in multicultural societies, defining a single national identity can be challenging. The presence of diverse cultural groups means that multiple identities might coexist. This can lead to debates about what it means to be part of a nation and how to balance the preservation of cultural diversity with the need for national unity. Balancing multiculturalism and national identity. Balancing multiculturalism and national identity is a complex issue. Here are some ways countries try to address this balance. Integration policies. These policies aim to help immigrants integrate into society while allowing them to maintain their cultural identities. This might include language and civics education, support for cultural events, and efforts to promote social inclusion. Citizenship requirements. Some countries have strict citizenship requirements to ensure that immigrants are committed to the country's values and norms. This might include language proficiency tests, knowledge of the country's history and laws, and loyalty oaths. Anti-discrimination laws. To promote equality and prevent social tensions, many countries have laws that protect against discrimination based on race, religion, and ethnicity. Promoting shared values. Governments and communities often emphasize shared values such as democracy, freedom, and equality to foster a sense of unity and common purpose among diverse groups. Examples from around the world. Different countries handle multiculturalism and national identity in various ways. Canada. Canada is known for its official policy of multiculturalism, which encourages immigrants to maintain their cultural heritage while integrating into Canadian society. This approach has generally been successful, creating a diverse and inclusive society. France. France promotes a more assimilationist approach, emphasizing a single French identity. The French model stresses the importance of secularism and unity, sometimes leading to tensions with minority groups who feel their cultural identities are not fully recognized. Australia. Australia embraces a mix of multiculturalism and integration. The country celebrates its cultural diversity while also promoting shared values and social cohesion through various policies and community programs. Japan. Japan has a more homogeneous society with strict immigration policies. The country emphasizes a strong national identity and has limited cultural diversity compared to countries like Canada or Australia.